Hello, my name is Nerd, and today we're going to talk about booleans in Python. Booleans are data type that can only be true or false. Keep in mind we have to capitalize true and false in Python. There are 6 comparison operators in Python that evaluate to true or false. They are equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and finally less than or equal to. Now there's a big confusion when we talk about the equals to, because there's also another operator that uses the equal symbol. That is the assignment operator. But what's the difference? When we're defining a variable, we use one equal sign. For example, let's say we're defining the variable num and we're setting it equal to 5. The equal sign here is assigning the value 5 to the variable num. Hence, it's called an assignment operator. However, when we use two equal signs, we're comparing two different values. So let's say we're printing 5 is equal to 6. Is 5 equal to 6? No. So it's going to output false. However, when we use a not equals to, which use an exclamation mark, is 5 not equal to 6? Yes. So it's going to output true. We also have the greater than or less than. Is 5 greater than 6? No. So it's going to output false. However, is 5 less than 6? Yes. So it's going to output true. We also have the greater than or equal to or the less than or equal to that work in similar fashion, except they also output true when both numbers are equal to each other. So, well, when we say 5 is less than 5, it's going to output false. When we say 5 is less than or equal to 5, it's going to output true. And when we say 5 is greater than or equal to 5, it's also going to output true, because 5 is equal to 5. Now the comparison operators compare two different values. However, the Boolean operators compare two different Boolean values. And there are 3 different Boolean operators that we use in Python. They are AND, OR, and NOT. AND outputs true only when there are 2 trues. So let's say we have true and false. This is going to output false because there's no 2 trues. There's one false. And both values have to be true in order for AND to output true. So when we have true and true, it's going to output true. And this is a binary operator, meaning it takes in 2 different expressions. OR is also a binary operator because it also compares 2 different expressions. So let's say we have true or false. When we say true or false, it's still going to output true because unlike AND, it only requires one true. So the only case where OR gets false is when there's two falses, because there's no trues, so false or false is going to equal to false. Finally, NOT is unary. Unary means it only acts on one expression. So let's say print not of true. Well, what's not true? False. And we can do the same thing with false. What's not false? True. There's an order of operations using all these operators. First in the line comes the arithmetic operators, and these are the operators we use in the operator videos. And these are your addition, subtraction, multiplication symbols. These always come on top. Next, we have our comparison operators, which are the 6 operators we used in this video. Then we have not, and or. So let's do an example. Let's say we have 5. Let's do 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, or 5 is greater than 6. Let's put something else in as well. Let's put and not, and not true. Well, what's this gonna do? Well, we have 10 plus 10, which we're gonna do first. Does 20 equal to 20? Yes. So this is gonna be true. And true or 5 is greater than 6. Is 5 greater than 6? No, so it's gonna be false. But true or false. So this is gonna output true. And then we have true and not true. Well, what's not true? False. So what's the answer for true and false? False. So the answer should be false. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again.